This video is made possible by Amsoil.
Alright, so about how many years now when I see the Undertaker?
David, how many years again? David?
5, 6.
5, 6.
About 6 years.
6 years.
About 6 years.
And this is the return.
Yeah, we return now.
Nice, nice. What's the setup like? Alright, so it's a 240 SX for persons watching, right? And I don't have anything personally against swaps. Swaps are nice, but yesterday stay true to the Nissan platform. VVL. Talk me through a little bit, Andrew. I see you running a Garrett turbo. What else?
Stock internals.
Okay.
Right, stock internals and
Injectors, fuel system. Oh.
injectors, 1000cc.
Okay.
Basically, that's it.
A pretty basic setup then.
Basic setup.
Okay,
Basic setup.
okay.
Just to have some fun,
Yeah. And I know you're infamous for sliding through the corners and stuff over the years. The crowd love that for sure.
Yeah. We still have that. We still
You still have it. Yeah, Andrew. The turbo now, you call a name a while ago.
The turbo is a Bisco potato.
Bisco
Potato.
potato.
Yeah.
I the first me hear that term in all my years.
It's a turbo that used on the rally car them and all that. It's a popular turbo,
Okay.
Right.
What is up, guys? Today we're talking about the Disco Potato, which is the Garrett GT2860 RS turbocharger. Before I get into the specs of it, I'll explain why they call it the Disco Potato. Basically, it was on the potato-shaped Nissan Sentra, which had like disco-like color-changing paint. So that's basically where it got its name from.
Not a big turbo, but just for the right amount for the track.
Right.
For the
Let me go a little closer to it so people can see what we're talking about. Right? Yeah, it's not no overkill, oversized turbo. And you went dyno recently.
Yeah.
Right. In terms of power, you wish to disclose publicly?
Yeah, man, I got that 356.
356. Alright, and how the car feeling today? It look impressive. How it feeling?
Car feeling good. Car feeling good. We're running on some older tires.
Okay.
But we're feeling good. practicing. Oh, feeling good.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.